Hi everyone, my name's Lorna Evans and today I'd like to show you a tutorial on being able to create some really lovely waves. So what I'm going to use to prep Liz's hair today is I always like to start with the beautiful. So I want to keep that shine and keep that beautiful. So I'm going to be popping in the Unite U oil and I'll show you how much in just a moment. I'm then going to be scratching it up using the Elevate Mousse in the Unite. It's probably one of my favourite go-to products at the moment. I love it. At the roots, I'm also going to be going in and giving it some root volume with this little baby, which is the HTZ root volumizer. It's actually magnificent, so I'll be able to show you how to do that. This is a really cool little tool. So this is called the HTZ and I love the shape that they've actually created, so because it contours the actual head as well. The inside of the plate is a crimping plate, but this is the really clever piece to it, is this little dial here, as I come in, it will actually be able to say that's the width of the section that I want to take on Liz's hair, so I don't have to do any sectioning. So let me show you how I'll work it. I'm going to use the length of my carbon big tail comb just to take a really nice big long section on a diagonal all the way down. You can see it's really quite a large section. So I came from almost like a side part right the way down to the opposite side. I'm going to share with you one of the little tools that I actually use quite often, and yes, it is a very expensive piece of equipment. It's a coat hanger, and we have literally just cut off the little hook to the coat hanger and we've then just wrapped it round using some tape, so electrical tape. So I want to show you why I love this. It's almost like it's a topsy tail, but to me, because it is the wire, it works really, really well, and I haven't found anything to do what I'm about to show you to work any better. I'm going to be using my favourite wand, which is the Glam Palm Magic Wand. So now we've got all our set into place, one of the things that I really wanted to share with you is if you were to come and feel all the individual curls of Liz's hair, they're actually quite crispy. And the way that I look at it is a crispy curl is a good curl, as long as you can be able to brush that out. And the reason being is remember, we want to sit on the couch on a Saturday night and not worry that this is going to fall out. So I really need to get that good underlying foundation of a set. So I'll start to take it out now. I wanted to show you what the curved comb can do for the wave that I've created here on Liz's hair. I really want to keep this quite natural, so that's why I've directioned all the setting coming down. I don't particularly want it to all join in, I just wanted a beautiful Hollywood wave set. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my long clamps, and you're going to be able to see it's going to marry to the curved comb. So let me show you how that works. And I'm only going to just do one clamp, and it's just going to be in this area here, just to crease it just a little bit. I'll just turn it that way. So I'm going to use my finger just to create a little bit of weight here. Use the curved comb to keep the shape, and then let the comb do the work for you. All I'm going to do is push forward, lay it flat, and that's all we're after. So come in with the clamp, pop that down. So you can see the two married together to make your work very, very easy. So I'm just going to pick up the tail of the big tail comb and just pop that in like so. Now that's the only bit that I'm actually going to really just try and grasp. So while that's actually in there, I'll come in and we'll just keep polishing down here. Okay, so what this has really just done is just gave me a little bit more of a kick. Not too much, just a little bit. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. You know, if you just think that the right products and the right tools really do help to give you peace of mind. If you are interested in any of our tools at all, then head over to our website and always keep an eye on our social media, because we are always putting all sorts of hot tips and tricks for you up there. So I look forward to seeing you again soon.